Imagine cruising down the highway with the wind in your hair, the silence of an electric motor beneath you, and your entire home tagging along, all on 3 wheels. That's not a dream anymore. Welcome to the future of freedom and minimalism, the 2026 electric tricycle RV. It's compact, it's eco-friendly, and it's turning heads in every city it visits. But this isn't just some fancy trike, it's a full-blown lifestyle upgrade on wheels. At first glance, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek curves, LED light strips, and a solar-paneled roof that charges your ride as you explore off-grid destinations. But get closer, and you'll realize this trike hides more than just good looks. Step inside, and the surprises begin. The cabin opens up to reveal a cozy, high-tech micro-home. Foldable furniture, a convertible bed dining space, a pop-up kitchenette with an induction stove, and yes, there's even a shower and composting toilet tucked neatly into the corner. It's like a Swiss Army knife for modern nomads. Every inch has been designed to save space and boost comfort. Powered by a high-efficiency electric motor and a cutting-edge battery pack, this trike RV gives you up to 250 miles on a single charge. And with regenerative braking and rooftop solar, you can stretch that even further if you're smart about it. It's whisper quiet on the roads, meaning you can sneak into nature, park near a lake, and not disturb a single bird's song. Now imagine waking up to a sunrise in the mountains, brewing coffee on your mini stove, and knowing you don't need a gas station or a hotel reservation. This isn't just a vehicle, it's independence. It's the ability to live rent-free while you explore the world your way. But wait, here's the wild part. It's not just for solo adventurers. This trike is smart enough to adjust the ride balance based on weight distribution, and the second seat option lets you bring along a partner or pet. There's even an AI-powered driving assistant that maps routes, avoids steep inclines to save energy, and finds the nearest charging stations or scenic camping spots. Safety? Check. Reinforced frame, triple disc braking, and a low center of gravity keep you stable even when the weather gets wild. And with integrated GPS, Wi-Fi hotspot, and smart home controls, you're always connected and in control. What's the price of this freedom? Surprisingly affordable. With more countries offering incentives for electric vehicles and tiny living gaining popularity, the 2026 electric tricycle RV might just be the smartest investment for digital nomads, minimalists, or weekend wanderers. So whether you're escaping the 9-to-5, chasing sunsets, or just looking for the coolest, greenest way to hit the road, this futuristic three-wheeler is calling your name. Because in 2026, life's too short to stay in one place, and way too exciting to do it on 4 wheels.